say yes to your life?
There are Say Yes to Your Life meetup groups all over the world. You can find one on Meetup. Our friend Sandy came up with a concept. And if you go, say yes.
What I love about the Say Yes to Your Life meetup groups, besides everything, is that it's a group of people who get together and support each other into saying yes to their lives, no matter how their lives show up. And that is super cool.
I've never encountered anything like it, and I think it's more powerful and more beneficial to people's lives than anything I've ever experienced.
I just wanted to share the possibility that, you can be okay with who you are and that there isn't anything that you need to change or fix about you to make you perfect.
These Say Yes to Your Life meetups started out by people discovering in our workshops that your life shows up exactly as it does. And you can either resist it or be a yes to it. And when you're a yes to how your life is showing up, it's magic.
We wanted to bring it to our community, into where we live, and share it with people and just let people know about possibilities of having a great life.
We have so much fun.
Yes, it's a lot of fun.
And it's an amazing opportunity to connect in a really short period of time, an evening, with amazing people. Come join us.
Yeah. So, say yes to your life. Join a meetup group and see what happens. I did. And boy, I gotta say, my life is awesome.
For more information about the Canes, their books and seminars, and the Premium Excellence Club, go to transformationmadeeasy.com.